Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for manifesting your dreams and desires. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and let's begin. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the tension leaving your body with each exhale, allowing yourself to relax more deeply with each breath. Now, imagine yourself in a peaceful place surrounded by your dreams and desires. Picture them as vibrant, glowing orbs of light surrounding you. Each representing a goal or aspiration you wish to manifest. Take a moment to set your intentions for this meditation. What is it that you want to manifest in your life? Visualize it clearly in your mind's eye and hold on to that image as we continue. Repeat after me, either silently or out loud. I am worthy of all my dreams and desires. I attract abundance and positivity into my life. I am aligned with the energy of manifestation. I am grateful. I am grateful for all that I have and all that is coming to me. Now, think of three things you are grateful for in your life right now. Focus on the feeling of gratitude as you acknowledge these blessings. Imagine yourself stepping into the reality where your dreams have already come true. Feel the excitement. Feel the excitement, joy, and fulfillment of achieving your goals. Visualize yourself living your dream life with all your senses. Just visualize in your mind and feel it. Feeling is very important. So, visualize and feel it. I repeat, feeling is very, very important. As we come to the end of this meditation, remember that you have the power to manifest anything you desire. Carry this feeling of positivity and abundance with you throughout your day. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath and open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation. May you manifest all your dreams and desires with ease and joy.